guys, it's SyncTutorials here, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to map a network drive in Windows 7. So what I want you guys to do is just click Windows E key to open up your computer. It's a very good shortcut and easy to use, obviously because it's just on your keyboard, and instead of using your mouse, going to the start menu and opening my computer, this is just easier clicking Windows key on your keyboard and E, and it just pops open. It's very nice and simple. Now what you want to do is click on map network drive. This is to map a network drive. You can also use command prompt if you want to use command prompt, but this is a very easy way to do it and it's very simple. So once you click it, you get a new window come up called map network drive, and what you want to do is you want to allocate the drive that you're mapping a letter, but you want to make sure you're not using a letter that one of your USB ports may be using, because then it can clash. Therefore I'm using Z because I have not used it, and if I look down, I've used C, D and G. If I go into disk management, I will see other ports that I am using, and I'm just going to use the letter Z, and I'm going to click browse to find where or which drive I want to map. I'm going to start off by clicking JPC and this drive here. This is the 2TB hard drive, which is on another machine which I want to link in now and have it so that I can open it up whenever I want. So I'm just going to click OK, and there we go. It's very fast and very easy and very simple. So now I want to make sure that you've got reconnect and login clicked on. Reconnect at logon means that every time you log on to a machine, it'll already connect for you, and therefore you won't have to keep doing this procedure, because it can get boring and it can get annoying to keep on having to do this just to access that drive. So once you have this on, every time you restart your machine, turn it off, turn it back on, it'll be there ready for you guys to just use straight away. So yeah, so keep that ticked, and I'll just click finish, and there we go. It's on your computer, it's there. It's created another tab called network locations, and it's there. Now since I've already mapped this network drive before, I've renamed it. If you press F2 on your keyboard, you can rename it, and it doesn't just work for this. You can press F2 on any folder or file, and you can rename that folder, file, or exe or whatever. So you can just type in PC to TB HDD, there we go, and it renames it. So that's very good. Now say in the future that you've disconnected that drive, what would usually happen is there would be a red cross over here, and when you click on it you won't be able to access it. Now that can just use a lot of space, and it'll just be a waste of time having it there and accidentally clicking it or whatever. So the good thing to do is right click on it and just go disconnect. So if you disconnect it, it'll give you a little error, and it will say that I've left some of the files open if you are using it. Since I'm using it currently, it won't let me disconnect, but I just want to make sure that I've not got anything open. So I'll have a look at if I've got anything open. If I'm using that drive, then I'll close it. So I'm just going to close this drive there and click yes, and there we go, it's gone. So, and the other tab is also gone. Anyway guys, that's how you map a network drive in Windows 7 and disconnect. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. If you have any issues, put it in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible and try and answer you, and also I'll make a tutorial if you guys really want to watch one. Thank you very much.